Hi guys, welcome to this video for today. A lot of bloggers have a huge challenge, especially people that are beginning out to blog. They have a lot of challenge on how to write content. Writing quality content actually takes a lot of time, takes a lot of research. But today I'm going to show you can write a blog post that is SEO optimized using an AI software called Simplified. So let's go straight and start. This is going to be a step-by-step guide for even a beginner, somebody that is just starting out blogging. So let's quickly go and start and see how this works. So first get to Google and enter simplified.app. Then you go here and click on it. Then it takes you to their website. It takes me straight to it because I already have an account. But to open an account is quite easy. You just need your email and then a password. As I said, it's quite easy. All you need is an email and of course a password. So once you put in your email and your password, they will send a link to your email, and then you click that link, and once you click that link, this is the link I'm talking about. Once you click the link, it now takes you back to this place where you just click let's go, and then it takes you to this site. So the next thing once you're on the site is to just go to AI assistant and see all the things you can do with this AI. You know, you can write blog posts, you can generate social media captions or YouTube titles if you want. You can also generate Instagram post in a second, but that is not what we're interested in. What we're interested in is just to write a blog post. So what you do is to just click on launch Writer, and then it opens up this particular page where you are going to do all your writing. All your writing is going to come up here. So the first thing we need to do is blog ideas and titles. So put in a topic. What do you want to write about? I have something I want to write about, so I'm going to quickly put in what I want to write about. So I want to write about osteoporosis. So let me see what blog titles or ideas is going to give me. So once you click that, just click generate, and then you wait for it to see the titles and the ideas it can give you. Top 10 foods, osteoporosis causes and treatments, 9 myths, 10 tips on how to prevent osteoporosis and why you should be worried. So those are the titles. You can decide to take any of them, or you can decide maybe you want something that you can just work on. So I want to talk about something that has to do related to supplements that I can take for osteoporosis. So what I can just do is maybe I'll just adjust this one the way I want it and then use this one. So let me quickly do that. So to be able to do that, just click on these buttons like this and then click on edit, and then I can edit it the way I want. So I've adjusted it the way I want. So it depends on you, it depends on what you really want. You know, you can just take any of these topics, but this is what I want, something to do with supplements and osteoporosis. So now that I've done that, to bring it here, just click on this plus and it takes it there. You see, that is a flaw here. I did not save it, so you find that I did not change it. So what I will do, I will delete this for now, and then I will just save this. Once I've saved it, and then take it back, so you can see best natural supplements for osteoporosis. So that is going to be my topic. So the next thing, now that we've gotten a topic, the next thing is to get blog introduction, you know. And blog introduction, once you've clicked it, you just put in the topic that you just created now. That is best natural supplements for osteoporosis. So that's the one. So once you highlight it, it comes here, and then it generates blog introduction for this particular topic. So let's for it to generate write-up for us, to introduce this topic for us. So it has introduced the topic. See, it has given you 4 different introduction. You can choose from there, read the 4 and choose the one that you want best. So I'll just look at the 4 and then I'll choose the one I want best and transfer it to this place. So I'm going to choose this 4th one because it actually mentions what I am talking about. Like if you look at this place, while there is no cure for osteoporosis by itself, it can be treated by using supplements. Since I'm going to base this write-up on osteoporosis and using supplements to prevent it, so this is more like what I want. So I can just place that and it brings it here. So I'll just shift it from here down here. So we are done with the introduction of this particular topic. So the next thing we are going to do is let us get subtopics that is we are going to use for our blog. So what you do now, just go there, click down here, look for blog outline. You know, so what are the subtopics we are going to talk about? So let it generate the outline. If you like, you can remove these ones. I can remove all these ones that I'm done with. Just click here and remove it so that I'll have more space to do what I want to do. So now let's generate some block outline, that is subtopics that will go with this main topic. So just click on generate. What happened? So it has generated some topics for me. Introduction, what is osteoporosis, how to prevent natural supplements for osteoporosis, your bones need calcium and vitamin D, weight bearing exercise, conclusion. So it's now left for you. If you like these ones, we can use it. You can also edit it the way I showed it to you, maybe add more things that you want, or maybe change the way it is written, like so. This is another one. It gives you 2 different block subtopics for you to choose from. Are you at risk? How can I prevent and treat it naturally? You know, so I might take some here like this. I like this topic and add it to this one, you know. So let me just do that quickly. Just by clicking here, as I did before, you can just edit it. So now I have edited it. I have added something else. I've added some more topics. I have adjusted some of the block topics also. So now that I'm satisfied with that, I will just add it there, you know. Okay, I have to move this one up. I don't know why this came down. I better just move it from there. Okay, prefer it like that. Good. So I'm just doing it directly. I'm not editing anything, so that I just want you to see how this can be done. Now we have our subtopics. Everything is okay the way it is. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to generate, let's see, now we're going to generate block section completer. That means each of these sections we are going to do a write-up for them. So I'll just highlight each of the sections and then it will just give me a write-up for it. So now I'll just highlight this. What is osteoporosis? As you can see, it's right there. So I'll just click on generate. So it has generated. So I will just look at what it has generated for me. So I think I'll take this one. So I will just click here to add it. Here to add it. But first let me put my cursor where I want it to be. I don't want a repeat of that last one, okay? So I'll just click add. So you see, that is my write-up for this one now. Good. So that's just what you're going to do. Once you highlight it, go up again, highlight it, so it has given you how to prevent osteoporosis, as you can see. So I've highlighted it. I will just put the cursor where I want it to be and then I will generate. See how easy it is? So very soon we'll complete our blog post. So once it generates, we'll now add it. It has generated, so I'll just go there and read the one I want and then I just click here and add it. So essentially that's what I'm going to do for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subheadings, and then we'll be done. And you can see the amount of words you've written so far. So if you want to do 1000 words, you know how to do it, and then continue with it. I've completed the blog post just by using all the methods I showed you. Everything is complete. All the blog subheadings, I've added content to it. And then this took me about 30 minutes or so, 30 to 40 minutes to complete. If you are to do this naturally by yourself, research, to take you close to 2 to 3 hours, believe me, to complete this. So it's quite fast to use and easy to use. So once you're done with this, once I'm done, what I normally do is to just copy it, copy everything, and then post it on my Google Doc. I'll just post it on my Google document. Then I'll use it on my website. So that's it. That's our blog post. That's our blog post. And you see that I wrote about 800 and almost 900 words with it, which is okay. Because by the time I now come and put all the pictures and everything to make it look robust and SEO optimized. I normally do my SEO optimization on my WordPress blog page, because I have some softwares there that will help you to optimize this faster. But that is another video all the same. This video is just to show you how you can write a blog post as a beginner fast using this simplified.app AI writing software. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you can try it. I'll put the link for it below if you like, so you can click it and then just try it. For information, they are not paying me to do this. I'm just doing it to help some of us that might find it difficult to write some blog posts, because content writing is very important when it comes to even selling of your products. You need to do SEO content writing. So if you can have a software that can help you do that faster, then it's good for you. So with this, I've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try your hands on it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. You can remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to subscribe.